Hello everyone! Facing issues with TikTok photo swipe? Let's dive into the solution. Launch TikTok and tap the plus sign below. Select Uploads and choose the photos you want for swipe mode. If the swipe doesn't work, don't fret. Head back to the main screen and click on your profile at the bottom right. Now, tap the three lines at the top right and choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll and select Free Up Space. Clear all caches and downloads. Sometimes, this clutter can hinder the swipe feature. Open your phone settings and then go to Apps. After that, go to All Apps. Then, scroll down and find TikTok. After that, click on TikTok. Then, go to Storage. Then, you will see Clear Cache. Tap on it. Most users have found success after that steps, but it seems a fresh install can work wonders. If all fails, consider checking for updates or contacting TikTok support. So, that's your quick guide to fixing the TikTok photo swipe glitch. If this helped, a thumbs up would be great. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!